Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The chef is married to his wife, Susan Yan. They tied the knot in December 6, 1980. Very little is known about the couple's love life as they keep most of their personal lives private. The master chef and his wife Susan Yan have 2 sons, Devin and Colin Yan.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Viewers know him as the man who yells his signature tagline, "Yan can cook, so can you," in each episode. Most find this energy contagious, though rumors have swirled that his thick accent is fake and used to bolster his quirky TV persona. Martin Yan has Martin Yan cuisine, she said. It's kind of a mix of cuisines.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Called as the wonder powder in Chinese cuisine, 5-spice powder is used as a seasoning agent for meat and poultry. The theory behind the composition of the 5-spice powder is to blend in 5 flavors: salty, sweet, sour, bitter and pungent.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Emeryville Studio. For the past 38 years, he's filmed more than 3,500 cooking show episodes in the US and internationally. Yan is taping the cooking portion of the show on that particular evening, making a Malaysian shrimp dish with spicy chili coconut milk. I caught up with the host just before the taping in the Emeryville studio.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.